Hello and welcome. In this video I will unbox this mystery box. I think it contains some handheld consoles. Let's check. Okay. Before asking for the price of it, I think it's $50 for this box. Finger crossed. Alright. A Linux handheld console without the back cover. Game Boy Pocket without the battery cover also. And I don't know what is this. Some kind of handheld consoles also called Apex, as I see. I don't know so much about this. Game Boy DMG has a small issue with the screen. I am not sure if it's working or not. Nintendo DS Lite. Okay. And Game Boy Advance SCP. Wait for the incoming videos to test each one of this and restore it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this type of videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.